Hello sir, my name is Santosh. My register number is UR15CS148. In this video, I am going to explain about a C++ program that is related to the exercise friend functions. This was the question given to me. Write a C++ program to create a class called matrix using a two-dimensional array of integers. Checks the compatibility of true matrices to be added, subtraction and multiplication, and perform the operation for two matrices. Get the input from the user through getData function and display the results in the putData function. Make all the operations as friend functions. Let us see the program. Start the program with a header file hash include iostream followed by using ASP.std. Now declare the class matrix2 and create a class with the name matrix1. Then declare the array of row size 5 and column size 5 and declare the variables m and n. Now declare two functions, that is get matrix1 function and put matrix1 function. Now declare three friend functions, that is friend void matrix sum, friend void matrix sub, and friend void matrix mul with the arguments matrix1 and matrix2. Now by using this function, we can get the data from the user for matrix1. Declare the variables I and j of integer data type. Now ask the user to enter the number of rows and columns and read them as m and n. Now enter the elements. So by using these two for loops, we can get the matrix1 elements from the user. And in order to display the matrix1, here we will put matrix1 function, and by using these for loop, these two for loops, we can display the matrix1 here. And now come to the class matrix2 and declare the array b of row size 5 and column size 5 and declare two variables m and n of integer data type. Now under public, declare two functions, get matrix2 function and put matrix2 function, and declare three friend functions, that is friend void matrix sum, friend void matrix sub, and friend void matrix mul functions. Here we declared these three functions as friend functions with the arguments matrix1 and 2. Now get the data from the user for second matrix. Here declare two variables I and j of integer data type. Now ask the user for number of rows and columns and enter the elements. And by using these two for loops, here we can get the data from the user for second matrix. Now by using put matrix2 function, display the details of matrix2, that is for I is equal to 0 I less than m I plus plus, and for j is equal to 0 j less than n j plus plus. By using these two for loops, we can display the details of second matrix. And now come to the matrix sum function with the arguments matrix1 g and matrix2 h. Declare I and j. Now check for compatibility, that is if g dot m is equal to h dot m and g dot n is equal to h dot n, then add two matrices and display the result by using this cout statement. Else display as dimensions are not same, addition is not possible. Now come to the matrix sub function. Again check for the compatibility here, that is if y dot m is equal to z dot m and y dot n is equal to z dot n, then go for subtraction. And by using these two for loops and by using this cout statement, we can display the result of the subtraction. Else display that dimensions are not same, so subtraction is not possible. Now we will see about matrix mul function with the arguments matrix1e and matrix2f. Declare I, j, k and result of row size 10 and column size 10. Now again check for compatibility, that is if e dot n is equal to f dot m, then go for multiplication, that is for I is equal to 0, I less than e dot m I plus plus, and for j is equal to 0, j less than f dot n j plus plus. Result of I j is equal to 0, and this here we can see that by using these statements we can multiply two matrices, that is matrix 1 and matrix 2, and result can be displayed by using this cout statement. Else if the rows and columns are not same, then display are not possible. Now initialize main function and declare two matrices of two objects, that is object m1 is belong to matrix class matrix 1 and object m2 is belongs to class matrix m2. Now declare choice, and again now create menu by using cout statements, that is +1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, and 3 for multiplication. Now by using switch statements execute the choice, that is case 1 is for addition. Now get the details of matrix, call the function get matrix 1 and get matrix 2, and call the functions put matrix 1, put matrix 2, and matrix sum m1 m2. If the choice is 2, then go for subtraction. In the same way, call the function get matrix 1, get matrix 2, put matrix 1, put matrix 2, and call the function matrix sub. In the same way we need to do for multiplication. By default, if the user enters any other wrong choice other than 1, 2 or 3, then display as wrong choice, while again is equal to 0. If we want to continue, then press 0. Now I am going to execute the program. So first I want to do addition, so I am giving my choice as 1, then enter the rows and columns of matrix 1. So I am giving 2 rows and 2 columns. Enter the elements of first matrix. So I am giving elements as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then here we can see that it is asking the details of second matrix. Enter the rows and columns of second matrix. Again 2 rows and 2 columns. Enter the elements 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here it is displaying the details of matrix 1 and matrix 2, and the sum of matrices is displayed here. Again I want to continue program. Now I want to do subtraction. Again it is asking for rows and columns. Again I am giving 2 rows, 1 column. Enter the elements now 1, 2. Now enter the details of second matrix. So I am giving 1 row and 2 columns. Now enter the elements 4, 5. Since the rows and columns are not same for matrix 1 and 2, it is showing here dimensions are not same, so subtraction is not possible. Thank you.